नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत करता हूँ आपको अपने YouTube चैनल पे बहुत ही जानदार, शानदार, अमेजिंग फ्रेश और बहुत ही क्रेजी एपिसोड में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So let's solve today's POTD, and we are given an array denoting the heights of n towers, and we have given also a positive integer k. And the question is saying we can do one operations like we can either increase the height by k or decrease the height by k. And after performing the increment or decrement, height should be always greater equal 0. It should not be negative, because negative height tower doesn't make any sense. So we have to keep this thing in mind. And after doing this operation at each tower, we have to find the minimum possible difference between shortest and tallest. Okay, so like we want we want to decrease the tallest and increase the shortest. Okay, this is what we want. So in the problem there are two key observations. Okay, into graph. So first thing I want to mention is like, suppose we have to sort the first thing I want to explain is we have to sort the array. Otherwise we will not be able to like which is smallest and which is bigger one. So first we will sort the array. So we are given array in a vector form. Input is in a vector form. So we will sort this way. Okay. So after sorting, this will become something like this: 1, 5, 8, 10. So suppose this is our number line, and here start here one element and here one element, and some elements are there. So what is the difference now? Difference now is this one. Okay. So as we want to minimize the difference. So what we will do? We will try to shift this element this sides, and these last elements this side. We will try to do these things. Then only the difference will become smaller. Okay. This thing is clear, like, right? Okay. What is the next thing? Like, ultimately what I'm saying, we will add k to first element, and we will subtract k to last element. Okay, because we have only two choices. We cannot have any other operations. We have only two types of operations. Okay, so these are the options. This is our first observation. What is second observation? We will get the minimum by this consecutive ones. Okay, what I'm saying. Okay, so for this consecutive element, if I shift all elements till here and all these elements somehow this side, then the difference will then the what is the difference I am getting, this that will be my minimum difference. Okay, so if I make all these this side and all these this side somehow by adding k or removing k, and then whatever will be minimum then, and whatever will be the maximum then, that difference will be the over best for this to this. Okay, like for like 1, 10, 8, 5, 1. So if we add 2 to the add 2, so it will become 3, and we will add add 5, and we will subtract 2 from 10, so it will become 8. So here is 1, here it is become 1, and we want, so this we want, suppose we want to check for what is the answer for 5 to 8. So 5 to 8, what is the minimum is this side. After adding, we still got the minimum, this is 3. And what is this maximum is 8. So 5 minus difference is, like, absolute difference is 5. So this is one minimum. Suppose 1 to 5, what will the answer? 1 to 5, what is the minimum is nothing but, if we shift this one to this side, so what is the minimum is nothing but 3. And what is the maximum is 8. So that is answer 5. We have calculated 5 to 8, and let's suppose calculate 8 to 10, so it will become maximum will become 8, and minimum will be 3. So this way answer will be 5. This is the case where we are getting for everything we are getting same. Suppose let's take another example. Hopefully for that example we will get different answers. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me shift to the, let me take this to k is equal to 3. So I am heading to the next page. Okay. So after sorting, it will become something like this. It is already given in the sorting order, but I am assuming if it is not in sorting order. So after adding 3, what it will become? It will become 6, and it will become, after after subtracting 3, it will become 17. So for this, what will be the answer? For this, minimum will be, what will be minimum? Minimum will be 6 and maximum will be 17. Maximum will be 70. So answer will be 16 minus 17. Answer will be 11. Okay. For these two, what will be the minimum? Minimum will be still 3 plus, minimum will be 6, because we cannot move more than 6 from this side, and maximum will be 17. So same way 11. Okay. So for this one, if we check what is the minimum, minimum will be 6 and maximum will be, say maximum will be, okay, maximum will be 17. So this is 11. So we are getting same here again. Okay, I don't know why they are examples, why they are giving such examples. Okay, so this is the case we are getting, like when we are getting the minimum difference by consecutive ones. We can think about that, like why we are getting for consecutive ones. We will always get consecutive ones, like suppose, because we want to what, like for in this, what is the, we can compress how much we can compress from this side and how much we can compress from this side. So for this range, suppose I and I minus 1, we want to calculate the minimum and maximum. Okay, so what will the minimum of for I and I minus 1? Minimum will be, minimum of, what is the minimum? AR of 0 plus k and ARR of I minus 1. Okay, we want to check the minimum. What will be the minimum? Minimum will be AR of 0 plus k and AR of I minus k. Okay. Uh, AR of 0 plus k and AR of I minus k. That is the minimum. And what is the maximum? Maximum will be nothing but maximum of AR. Maximum is AR of n minus 1. This and AR of I plus 1. Why this is happening, I will explain once. Suppose we are at here I minus 1 and I. Somewhere here is AR of n minus k, and somewhere here is AR of 0 plus k. So we want to keep the minimum and maximum. What is the maximum? Maximum, we will take this, we will consider this one max as maximum. And another thing is, we want to, suppose what we are doing, initially doing, we are increasing from this side and decreasing from this side. So we will increase maximum, for what we will do, for this, taking the answer in this range, we will increase this. Okay, so this will become AR of I plus k. And for the minimum, what we will do, minimum, we will first, we will consider this one, and we want to decrease the minimum this side, we want to decrease this side. So what we will do, AR of I minus k. So this is the minimum and maximum. We will calculate we will calculate difference, and we will update the answer according to that. And one more thing is, if AR of I, that is a simple thing. If AR of I is less than k, then we cannot subtract. So there is no math, nothing to be iterate on this. So we will directly say continue, because we have only one option. So we have to increase the height, so that there is nothing to be calculated. This is the important part. Suppose like if we want in this range, so we will to try to this increase this side and decrease this side. So what we are doing, what will the maximum will be one case, we simple case is ending n minus 1, n array of n minus k minus 1. This is the overall maximum of this array. And what we will do, we are as we are increase from this side, so the chances to get somewhere, like if this is ar of n minus k is here and this became more than that, then that case maximum will be this. And the same happening here, like minimum is ar of 0, ar of 0 minus k is ar of 0 plus k is here. Suppose by decreasing this we get somehow this, so minimum can be this. So this is the case because we are shifting this way and this way, we are increasing this and decreasing this. So okay, same thing I have done in the code. Okay, let me explain the code. Here it is a sorting, and this is the maximum possible difference. Answer ar of n minus 1 and n minus 2. This is minimum, there is maximum. Minimum is ar of 0, maximum is ar of n minus 1. This is the case. If it less than 0, then we have only one option left. We have to increase the head, and there is no way, there no meaning of iterating on that. What is the minimum? Minimum will be nothing but ar of 0 plus k, that is the absolute minimum, like if where it is a minimum for array. And suppose we get like it is I. Okay, let me change the color so that if this is I, this is I minus 1. Minimum is ar of 0, this is here. But as we are decreasing this side, so it is possible now we are get some, by decreasing we get somehow here, so that we are taking these options. And the same way, the maximum is the maximum is here, this one. But as we are this, like we are increasing this side, we are increasing I minus 1, so we get more than that. That is possible case, so that's why we are adding, we are taking maximum with this. And after getting minimum and maximum, what we will do, we will, this is our current answer and this is our answer, we will take minimum of both of them, and we will get a final answer. So I hope I have cleared the all things. Okay, let me submit it. Okay. And if you guys find the video useful, so please subscribe my channel and comment if you have any doubt. So this is the past, this this is past all test cases. Thank you. Bye.